This is the elevator here at the gym here at Submersible College, Sacramento, California. We got an OTIS. Oh, here the hydraulics machine room is right there. There's a small one. Ooh! Whoa, a Series M3 button. What the fuck? Motor. No OTIS logo. This looks like a mod. What do you guys think? This does not look like a. It's a smaller size. This might have been a Series 1 actually. I'm thinking this might have been a Series 1 because this is. I don't know. This just looks like it wasn't always Series 5. Like even. That's really nice. Yeah, this was, yeah, look, cause see the phone is on here. If it was there, then they wouldn't bother having a cabinet. Wow. Who thought you can hide? 03. Huh. Alright. That concave button is real cool though. That's probably the most unique thing about this elevator. Because that's not California code compliant. Concave buttons. Hello.